The future of smartphone is almost here. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is ready to blow our minds with the 200Hz edge-to-edge AMOLED display, built for gamers, creators, and everyday users who want the smoothest screen ever. But that's not all. The 200 megapixel AI powered camera is designed to capture details even in near darkness, turning nights into day. Inside the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 will push performance to the next level, perfect for heavy multitasking and ultra fast gaming. And with 100-watt super fast charging, you shall power up in minutes, not hours. Plus the S Pen and Samsung new AI features make this more than a phone. It's your ultimate productivity partner. So tell me, is the Galaxy S26 Ultra the iPhone 17 Pro Max killer? Drop your thoughts below.